Let me introduce myself. My name is Jason Prieto, and I'm going to talk about my favorite singer and why he has been so important in the music world even after his death. His name was Faro Bulsara, and he was born in Zanzibar, but he was known throughout the world as Freddie Mercury. He was British singer, songwriter, record producer, and lead vocalist of the rock band Queen. I think this is one of my favorite artists, not only for what he did as a singer, but for what band Queen itself was. This group of four great musicians changed the way of listening rock and roll, and they added some classical music and opera to their songs. Something totally new for what that time we have Roger Taylor, who was a very cool drummer. Then Joe Deacon, who was very smart guy. We also had Brian May, the astrophysicist genius, who would wield his own guitar. And of course, we had our great protagonist Freddie Mercury, considered one of the great boys to ever enter into a rock band. He was just an absolute one-off, in my opinion, and there will never be another like him. This musical prodigy was the lead singer of that phenomenal group, and considered that he was a flamboyant, defiant, charismatic, courageous, and passionate man, arguably one of the most talented musicians of all time. Despite facing controversies for things such as homosexuality throughout his career, he thrived because of an uncanny passion for music, never letting anyone with hype down. Furthermore, he was never afraid of anything, only revealing his severe condition of AIDS to fans one day before he died. If I have to introduce something of Queen, there will be a wide repertoire of songs to duet rhythms that become hymns in the world of rock such as Hammer to Fall, Don't Stop Me Now, Need You Loving Tonight, Who Wants Life to Ever Another, One Bites the Bass, but without a doubt, one of the songs that I like the most after seeing and hearing his concert in Montreal in a video on YouTube is Somebody to Love. His voice undoubtedly the best. You can find everything on it. There's opera, there's disco, there's bubbly runtime, there's everything what I mean, Frey didn't want to be as one sound band. Yeah, that is it. Thank you your attention.